Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing, simple and delicious one pan chicken and potatoes recipe. Alright guys, now let's start by marinating our chicken. Here I have some leg and thighs, which I went ahead and removed the skin and washed up with lemon juice. I will be using some fresh green seasoning, garlic and onion powder, sazon, paprika, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some chicken bouillon. So the first thing I did was added a little oil to the dry seasoning. Then I combined the green seasoning with that, mixed into a paste-like consistency, and then you want to go ahead and just coat the chicken real well with the marinade. Once we're done, we will cover and allow it to sit and marinate for about an hour or two. Now let's prepare a sauce to baste our chicken with. So here I will add some hoisin sauce and some sweet chili sauce. These are the store-bought versions. So once you add them together, you want to mix well and set aside. Now let's prepare our potatoes. So here I have some potatoes and carrots, and to that I will add some bell peppers and onions. And for the seasoning, I have some seasoned salt, paprika, garlic and onion powder, complete seasoning, and black pepper. So I will add a little oil to them, and then I will add the seasoning, mix well, and just set that aside. Now let's go ahead and sear the chicken. So you want to place it into a hot skillet with some oil. We will sear it, but you don't want to cook it all the way through. Just make sure it has a nice golden brown color. Once it's brown on one side, give it a flip. Allow it to brown on the other side, then remove, set aside, and carry on with the same process with the next batch until you're all done. So now you want to go ahead and baste the chicken, the part that you want to face downwards, like on top of the vegetables. That's the part that you want to baste, because we will not be flipping the chicken. So we will baste it, and then we will, proceed to add them to the potatoes. Now, once you got all your chicken assembled into the baking pan, you want to go ahead and baste the top part of the chicken. Once we are done, we will cover and place this in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. After about an hour, you want to go ahead and baste it one last time. Place it back into the oven. This time you want to leave it uncovered so it can brown up a bit. And you want to allow it to go for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. Just keep checking it, and when it reaches your desired color, you pull it out. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. It is so simple but absolutely delicious. Here you have it, one pan chicken and potatoes, the perfect dinner recipe for when you don't feel like doing too much, but you gotta fix dinner up for the family. I know they will enjoy this. Give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.